YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrencies every day. Today we're just going to do another Bitconnect Reinvest. For those of you who have been following, I put about $230 into Bitconnect we'll check the date here, on the 7th, so November 7th, and let's check our total earned since then. You can see I got 250 total investment right now. Total earned just over $30. That's about $2 a day, maybe a little over. So today we're going to go ahead and do another investment. So let's go. We're just investing in $10 increments here. So we're going to go ahead and do reinvest. Gonna get that $10 in there. Have about $1.78 left over that's going to keep in my linen wallet there. So we're going to go ahead and reinvest that $10. Confirm, reinvest, $10. Awesome. Success. All right. Let's go ahead here and refresh the page. Come down to the bottom. Now we can see our total investment is $260. Slowly working our way up. My goal is to, there's a challenge right now to get 100,000 in total investment. So we're on that journey. It's slow, but it's starting to snowball. I'm noticing about every 3-4 days right now, I'm getting my $10 reinvestments back and getting that in. I invested $1,000 with a friend at the beginning because he guaranteed, I wouldn't lose it. I was a little skeptical at first. If you haven't, check out my first video called My Cryptocurrency Story. There I'm just talking a little bit about my journey, how I was sitting on the sidelines for too long and decided to get in the game. So I invested $1,000 with a friend. That money's being doubled. And should be by the end of this month or early December. I'm going to get my first $1,000 back for that, and we're going to invest that as well. So we'll start snowballing from there, doing daily $10 reinvestments, get some cash flow in here, because you're going to want to have some capital. Because if you haven't heard, those of you who are into mining, Genesis Mining has now opened into Bitcoin mining contracts. So right here, I don't have any yet, but I'm saving up for some mining contracts. So if you haven't yet, go ahead, and if you got the capital to do so, I encourage you to buy these. This is like the smartest thing you can do with US dollars right now. Get involved in Bitcoin mining. It's super profitable. It's expensive, but you can get 1 terahash for about $179. It's a great buy. And yeah, starting March 15th, 2018, you're going to start getting returns on that every day. Depending on how much you buy will show you your return, but the price of Bitcoin just keeps going up. It's going to be very profitable to get into mining this. So I'd encourage you guys, check out Genesis Mining if you haven't yet. Links down below in the description. You can use a mining code that I've got there to get 3% off if you buy any mining power. So on here you can mine Bitcoin, you can mine Zcash. That can be also profitable, not as profitable as the Bitcoin, but Zcash is great. Get into Ethereum mining, get into Monero mining, depending on what your cryptocurrency of choice is right now, but I highly recommend getting into this Bitcoin mining because that's great. So that's what I'm saving my capital for, building it up in Bitconnect. It's a great way to start building daily capital. We can go ahead and look at our transactions here back in Bitconnect lending wallet just to see what I'm doing every day. So there we see my $10 reinvest right there. So you can see here, I've got $100 in. Today's interest rate is 0.51%, so 51 cents on that. But a couple dollars a day here adding up, so you can see the 1.06, 1.06, 1.06, 1.06. So that is for yesterday right there. So that you can see $2, almost $3 earned yesterday. So that's great on those days that are over 1%, but it's even great on those 0.51% days. We're still making money. We're still reinvesting that, and my goal is to get this as a capital cycle so I can be buying Bitcoin, putting that in my Bitcoin wallet, getting into mining over in Genesis Mining. You want to get into that, very profitable. So I just want to encourage you guys out there, don't sit on the sidelines any longer. Get in this. My Bitconnect code is down below. You can sign up today with Bitconnect, invest your first $100, watch that grow a little bit every day, and that'll start adding up. I've made over $30 and have that reinvested, and now I'm making more each day. So that's great. And then when you can get into mining, the daily percents on this stuff, is really helpful. Getting into it, making that daily money so you can keep investing and diversifying your investments. And that's what I highly recommend. Don't be all invested in one server. Bitconnect's great, but don't be all invested there. Get into mining. If you're already into Bitconnect, that's great, but I encourage you, go put some of your investments into mining. Like I said, the code's down below. You can follow that, get 3% off. So this will be 3% cheaper per terahash. And yeah, get into it. Don't be afraid. Get off the sidelines. It's a profitable business. This is more long-term. The mining's more long-term. Bitconnect's day-to-day. But I encourage you guys, get in this while the market's hot. It's in its infancy stage. Let's go over and check out CoinMarketCap.com just to get an idea of what everything's at today. So look at Bitcoin, well over 8,000 now, 8,130, been sitting there for a few days, right over the 8,000 mark. It's going up, it's profitable, it's gaining support at this level. Ethereum's going up, Bitcoin Cash is going up, all great things. Litecoin's going up over $70. They're actually down a little bit, but they were sitting at 60 for a while, so you're seeing them back up in the $70 range. We go down to Bitconnect coin, $292, almost. They're up 0.61%. That's good. People were seeing them down for a couple of days and we're getting leery, but they're going up. They're going to break over 300 here soon. Just watch till the end of the year here. So it's a great market to get into, very profitable. So I'll leave you with this. I encourage you to get off the sidelines, get in this game. Get educated on it, look up stuff. If you're looking to get educated, I do short videos here every single day. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment any questions you have, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you can watch our daily video, get educated every day, and 5-10 minutes a day, and learning things that maybe you didn't know, tips and tricks you didn't know. I'm here, I'm educating myself to benefit, myself, but also you guys. That's why I'm sharing this stuff. So I encourage you, get off the sidelines, subscribe today, get invested today, Bitconnect down below, Genesis Mining down below. It's profitable, guys. I encourage you, it's great stuff. So it's been a long day, but I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a good one.